Good morning students. So today we are going to start our next topic, that is compound microscope. In the last one we have discussed about the simple microscope, and the next one we are having compound microscope. It is used to see the extremely small object. In this we have two kind of lenses. Lenses are of same type, but one is objective and one is eyepiece lens. A lens of short aperture and the lens whose focal length is less is called the object lens, and the another one is the short focal length but aperture is very large is called the eye lens. So what we are having over here we will discuss now. I have taken two type of lenses, object lens and eye. Both are convex. Just see, I have this object and one ray is going parallel to principal axis. It will pass through the focus. Second ray is going through optical center, so it will not deviate at all. When the point where the rays are meeting, we will join that point to the principal axis. They will form image. So A dash B dash we have image. But for this lens, that is eye lens, this image will work as an object. So the ray, this is going through the optical center and this is going parallel to principal axis. As these two rays are diverging, so our main purpose to meet the rays for getting an image. So these rays will get meet over here and we will join these rays or the point where they are meeting with the principal axis. So here I am getting the here I am getting the virtual and erect image A double dash and B double dash. We are having number of triangles over there over here, from which we will find the tan beta, tan alpha, and at the end we will get the relation. We know magnifying power is equal to beta upon alpha. For small calculation I can take as tan beta and tan alpha. Firstly I have taken right angle triangle C dash A double dash Q. C dash A double dash Q. Just see, C dash A double dash and Q. This triangle I have taken for tan alpha. C dash A double dash Q. This triangle. And we know tan alpha on this triangle A double dash Q is perpendicular and C dash A double dash is the base. So I can write this A double dash Q is almost equal to this AB. I have just constructed this part little bit. Now turn of tan beta, again the right angle triangle C dash A dash B double dash. C dash A dash B double dash. In this triangle we will find the value of tan beta. C dash A double dash B. Here double dash. Fine. C dash A double dash B double dash. Tan beta again perpendicular upon base. A double dash B double dash perpendicular and base is A double dash C dash. So here I'll put. Now what I'll do? I'll multiply and divide by A dash B dash, this equation. When I will divide A double dash B double dash upon A dash B dash, just see this thing. A double dash B double dash upon A dash upon B dash. This is image of this object and this is object. So we know about the linear magnification, height of image to the height of object. We got this is height of image to the height of object. Same here, height of image for this lens, this is the image and this is the object. So A dash B dash is the image, AB is object. Height of image to the height of object. So we got M naught into ME. As we know magnification of objective lens, ये तो हमें पता ही है कि objective lens की magnification क्या होएगी, MO V naught upon U naught. For the eye lens ME upon ME is equal to VE upon UE. Basically हम final image के लिए काम कर रहे हैं और final image is forming by, final image कौन बना रहा है, eye lens. So we will use eye lens over here. 1 upon FE, 1 upon VE minus 1 upon UE. What I will do now, VE upon multiply कर दूँगी दोनों साइड से VE के साथ, ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 1 will be left over here, VE upon UE, VE upon FE. I will get this relation. We know VE upon UE is equal to ME. ये चीज़ हमें की हुई है here. So what I will do, VE क्या है, इमेज डिस्टेंस, वी ई हमारे पास क्या है, इमेज डिस्टेंस, इसको मैं माइनस डी लिखूँ बिकॉज इमेज इज फॉर्मिंग ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. एफ ई इज इक्वल टू अगेन एफ ई, सो आई विल पुट दिस थिंग ओवर हेयर 1 plus d on f e, and here m e I got, here I was having m naught, both these equation I'll put over here, m is equal to m naught into m e, and after putting this and this equation over here I will get m is equal to v naught upon u naught, because m naught की वैल्यू हमने क्या ली है, v naught upon u naught. Why? Because it is the linear magnification, and in place of m e की जगह पे क्या आ जाएगा, 1 plus d upon f e, where d is the distance of image, f is the focal length of eye lens, v naught is the image distance of the objective lens, u naught is the object distance from the optical center. So this is the basic diagram for the compound microscope, and here we have the derivation. This derivation is very very important, almost every year comes, every year. So on the behalf of examination, this is important topic.